Alright, mythology students. Notice in my heading for this unit folder, there are no more readings. We are almost done. There's no readings. We just simply have 2 tasks to complete, and it deals with analyzing the readings that we've done over the past unit. Okay, so per usual, I want you to watch this introduction video. It's going to be really short. I want you to view and read the Distance Learning Daily Checklist, view and read the instructions, and then there are 2 things that we're going to be doing. One is the Odysseus meeting the 12 characteristics of a hero's journey essay. Okay, if you remember at the beginning of last unit, I posted a 12 characteristics of a hero's journey note sheet along with the 12 characteristics of a hero's journey narrated notes. Okay, you should have been filling out that note sheet as we read to identify how Odysseus necessarily meets these 12 characteristics. You are going to be opening this document right here and writing a 1 to 2 page essay about how Odysseus met those 12 characteristics of a hero's journey with details or examples from the text. Now please notice, seniors, this is your last week of school. Congratulations. This is the one and only thing that you have to complete. Okay, so once you seniors submit this essay, you are done for the year. Enjoy graduation and have a great summer and best luck in your future endeavors. Juniors, unfortunately, you are not seniors yet. So, once you submit your essay, you will be reviewing all of the Odyssey stories with a Quizlet review, and you will be taking an Odyssey final test. The Odyssey final test has a lot of learning targets we've been working with already, matching characters to their characteristics, answering multiple choice questions from the tests, and then as well as some personal responses using details from the text to kind of show how you personally feel about what went on. All right. Please let me know if you have any questions. You have 2 weeks to complete these 2 things. There is a daily checklist here, so if you want to follow that and finish up exactly at the end of the 2 weeks, you certainly can, but you should have plenty of time to complete both of these things. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm on Google Meets Tuesdays and Thursdays, and Tuesdays in the morning and Thursdays in the afternoon. Let me know if there's any way I can assist you in your learning. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.